Hello everyone, this is my day 2 of the fruit challenge. So I'll be using in today's recipe, I'll be using watermelon, banana to make my smoothie. But what I'll do is that I'll keep them in the freezer so that they'll come out like ice cream. I'll be taking some of them, then the other one I'll be putting it in the freezer so that I can take it some maybe tomorrow for as ice cream to mix up this fruit challenge. So right now I'll dice my watermelon and put it in the blender. Then I get my smoothie. So guys, watch me how I prepare this smoothie. It's very rich. So look at it and my bananas. So the banana, I'm using 10 banana. Yes. So this is the native banana. So that is what I'll be using to prepare my smoothie. Guys, keep watching. Guys, I finished blending the watermelon and banana juice. So what I'll do is this smoothie, I'll pour it on the container and keep it in the freezer so that I can use it for my ice cream. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed and stay refreshed. Bye bye.